Good evening, students. We're going to be talking about perimeter and area. And the big idea, especially about area, is that area is a 2D attribute. We've been talking about attributes of 2D shapes. Area is a 2D attribute, or the number of units, square units or non-standard units, it takes to fill a space or to cover the surface of an object. If we review what perimeter is the outside of a shape. It's a combination of measurements. You're adding up the distance around a shape. And you can see I have my favorite little bird picture. We're going to think about the area of this bird picture. I'm going to fill it with hexagons. And the proper math word for this is I'm going to tile it. It's almost like these are little tiles. So I'm going to tile my bird picture. We'll wait for the bell to finish. I'm going to tile my bird picture and see how many of these shapes, non-standard shapes, hexagons, it takes to fill my bird picture. And that will help me find the area. So I can say that the area of my bird picture is 4 hexagons. But I'm not sure if that's very accurate because I can see some spaces here, lots of spaces, and that might even be, if I added up all those little bits, another whole hexagon. So maybe using shapes that leave gaps is not the best way to measure my area. I'm going to try tiling my bird picture with something else that might be a little bit better. You can see I have some square tiles or some square shapes. So now I'm going to try tiling my bird picture with these to see if I can find the area. Right away I can see there's no gaps here. Let's keep going and see how many squares it takes with no gaps to find the area of my lovely bird picture. Move that up a little bit. It's matching up edge to edge or side to side. So I can say, oops, goodness, it fell off. I can say now that the area of my bird picture is 16 squares. I've tiled it with 16 squares and I don't see any gaps, so that is my area. What I would like you to do at home for homework tonight is take your flip book. This is Eloise's, thank you Eloise, but you'll have this at home tonight. You're going to find the area of your flip book. Remember, the area is the space inside it, and you're going to have to tile it. So your question is, use your flip book and find the area. How can you tile your flip book to find the area? And record your findings inside your book. That's all for tonight. Thank you, grade 4.